Talent is a CIRAD training program for sustainable palm oil landscapes in Southeast Asia. There are 6 universities from 4 countries who invited as hosts of the talent program. Each host selected their main concern and designed the programs. Inclusive and sustainable agribusiness is the main concern of USU talent programs. The program started from the MOU signed between CIRAD Resident Regional Director Dr. Jean-Marc Roda and USU Rector Professor Murianto Amin. Inclusivity is the concept of participation and contribution of all stakeholders, which in this case was sustainable palm oil. Inclusivity is essential for achieving sustainability. Being an education institution, the main target of USU programs are students, both from USU and outside USU, from Indonesia and other countries. Besides students, USU also believe that financial sector can play a big role in supporting the sustainable targets. Almost all programs heavily depend on the financial support. Therefore, a good understanding and motivation among bankers are expected to make a change in the financial programs. The first program for the student is the annual summer course, which use classroom lectures and discussions and field visits. The lectures were delivered by experienced stakeholders including academicians, researchers, companies, the government, and NGOs. The academicians settled the standardized concepts of inclusivity and sustainability. The companies show the implementation of inclusivity through partnerships and the implementation of sustainability, including good agriculture practice and best management practice. The government mostly explained the sustainability mission of the country beyond fulfilling the global market demand, especially through the implementation of ISPO as a mandatory for all palm oil producers. NGOs share their experience in the continuously support. It includes smallholders as part of the sustainable supply chain by providing crucial resources, including training, financing, and market access that are often inaccessible to small-scale farmers. The summer course participants also brought to sustainably managed company and smallholder cooperative and surrounding impacted environment that widely debated, such as forests, river, and the protected wildlife. USU Talent will also actively join other talent host summer courses and send students to participate to learn more about the training methods and approaches in teaching youth about the sustainability. USU Talent program also tried to have a center of excellence to accommodate visit demand from mostly students and some researchers that want to get information and discuss about the inclusive and sustainable palm oil. Palm oil industry is one of the most widely debated industry in the world. Having an open discussion and bring the foreign students and researchers in an open discussion and directly observe the facts, resulting more objective, proportional thoughts, and even awareness about their part as an inclusive path to achieve the sustainable palm oil supply chain. USU Talent host realizes the talent program is temporary and will end soon in 2026. However, all of the programs, both hosted by USU and by other talent hosts, show that the education about sustainability need to be continued. Therefore, USU started to integrate it in joint education program with other talent hosts. The Faculty of Natural Resources, Prince of Songkla University. USU has included more sustainability content in some courses of the Magister of Agribusiness curriculum, exchange students in some non-degree classes, having joint supervision for the student thesis, and having exchange lectures in course and general lecture. To continue the effort in raising students and community awareness about the sustainability and be part of the movement, USU Talent also started the tree adoption program. USU developed an application to record the tree planting and monitoring, which at the end will calculate the impact of the carbon emission reduction as a collective achievement for all adopters and planters. All of these programs are expected to be a continuous, inclusive movement towards the sustainable agribusiness, particularly palm oil industry.